you are probably searching or received this link because you are looking to be a private money lender and everything that comes with. In this accelerated course, we created this just for you so that you can learn how to protect your money and unlock the secrets to lending safely and profitably as a private money lender. So, what we would love to teach you as the actual borrower and lender that I have raised over $5 million within the last couple of years with Main Street lenders just like you. So you will learn the step-by-step system to safeguard your investments and lend with confidence. There's so many stories that are out there that unfortunately people want to lend money and then the deal goes bad. I'm going to teach you are the securities to be able to protect you if a real estate deal does go bad. We want to make sure that you, being a busy lender, there's no fluff, just practical real world strategies designed to help you lend smarter and avoid costly mistakes. By the time you're done with this course, you're going to be confident. You'll be able to know how to underwrite a deal, underwrite the borrower, understand what protects you and what steps you need to take if things do go sideways. We always want to protect you. We hope those things don't happen, but life happens. So this is structured to help you know how to structure your loans the right way so you never have to wonder what happens if the deal goes bad. Go ahead and click the link below. You will be able to get access to this accelerator program. Other people that have been able to take this course have been able to have a full understanding and built the confidence to say, I am ready to go be someone's bank and make potentially double-digit returns on your investment. Stop allowing your money to sit in the bank accounts or sit in different investment strategies and not make as much return as being a lender to real estate. Thank you so much. Click the link below and I'll see you in the inside.